नमस्कार। आदरणीय प्रोफेसर गोविंद प्रसाद शर्मा जी, अध्यक्ष नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट इंडिया, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल युवराज मलिक साहब, निदेशक राष्ट्र पुस्तक न्यास, श्रीमती नीरा जैन जी, चीफ एडिटर एंड जॉइंट डायरेक्टर, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स श्री कुमार विक्रम जी, श्रीमती कंचन वांचू शर्मा जी, सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स और मेरे साथियों, आज इस 3 महीने के कोर्स का अंतिम दिन है और वैलेडिक्टरी फंक्शन है, तो मैं आप सभी को इस मौके पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करता हूं। मैं इस मौके पर चाहूंगा कि कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स इस पर फीडबैक दें, तो मैं कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स के नाम लूंगा और वो बारी बारी से बोलें। सबसे पहले मैं नेहा गौतम से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो फीडबैक दें इस कोर्स के बारे में। थैंक यू।
Hello.
जी, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
All right, sir. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. As I would like to thank NBT for providing us a digital platform for updating our knowledge about publication. As we all know, we have gone through this pandemic and our life has been stopped in many ways. But I would like to thank digitalization for learning has not been stopped. As NBT has come up with online course of publishing, as personally I know that publishing is not a small thing to discuss, but still NBT has come up with a course of 3 months. And I know that many of us are for the publication background. Same, I'm also from the same background, but it is very difficult to conclude everything of publication in just 3 months. But NBT has done a very good job that all the departments, issues, and topic has been just covered in 3 months. I don't think even a single issue has been left out. And even as I am from the publication background, I can say that I have learned a lot, many things, many new things I have been learned, like promotion of the books, importance of the digital publishing, new promotion strategies. Even I have learned. So I really want to thank NBT for updating my knowledge. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir.
डॉक्टर विकास अग्रवाल।
A warm and graceful morning to one and all gathered today. It's my privilege to have been asked to share my feedback on this training program. On my own behalf, I extend my sincere thanks to Sri Yuvraj Malik ji and other guests who spared time from their busiest schedule to grace this occasion today. I also thank all the speakers and faculties who, during the program talks, shared their knowledge, ideas, and took interest in answering all of our queries and questions. Their style of explanation of everything was basically wonderful. Uh, and a program like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. Therefore, I must mention my deepest sense of appreciation for Sri Narendra ji for his efforts towards coordinating this wonderful program. I know that this program could be successful only because Sri Narendra ji dedicated his resources and time to make sure everything is faultless. A big thank you to all the participants for attending the talks and for asking insightful questions during the program. I am sure the questions posed by participants and the answers that we received from faculties in response to our questions are helpful in one or the other ways to all of us. Thanks a lot to one and all directly or indirectly involved in the program. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर विकास। गोपाराजू सीताराम प्रसाद।
Good morning, sir. Respected Govind Prasad Sharma, sir, our Director Yuvraj Malik, sir, our Training in Charge V. Narendra Kumar ji, all NBT staff members in New Delhi. सबको मैं धन्यवाद कर देता हूँ। मैं वर्किंग फ्रॉम साहित्य अकेडमी मुंबई सर। आज मेरे को एक्चुअली प्रोग्राम सेक्शन में मैंने 23 इयर्स मैंने काम किया है मैंने, लेकिन मेरे को पब्लिशिंग के बारे में मेरे को कुछ भी इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं था। फिर मैंने 2 साल पहले मैंने एनबीटी का न्यूज़लेटर में देख के पब्लिशिंग कोर्स के बारे में श्री नरेंद्र सर से मैंने बात किया था। सर मेरे को ये कोर्स करने का है करके। सर ने बोला प्रसाद आप कर दीजिए करके। मेरे को उसी टाइम मेरा मम्मी ने आईसीयू में रखा था, जिसका वजह से उसी टाइम मैंने कोर्स नहीं कर पाया। ये साल में मेरे को ऑनलाइन से कोर्स करना के लिए नरेंद्र सर और बहुत कोऑपरेशन कर दिया सर। इसके बारे में मैं पूरा पब्लिशिंग के बारे में, प्रिंटिंग के बारे में, एडिटिंग के बारे में सारी जानकारी असाइनमेंट भी मैंने पूरा अप टू डेट कर दिया सर। मेरे लाइफ में ये स्टेप मैं कभी ज़िंदगी में भूलेगा नहीं। एनपीटी सर को, स्टाफ को, सबको मैंने मेरे तरफ से धन्यवाद। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
थैंक यू वेरी मच प्रसाद जी।
थैंक्स।
अंकिता चंदा।
So good morning, everyone. I am Ankita Chanda. I am an editor with a children's book publishing house called Scholastic. And all I would like to say is that it has been an absolute privilege being a part of this course and receiving such intensive lectures from all the who's who of the publishing industry. And being an editor, my day-to-day job revolves around, editing. And I know it is so easy to, get involved in just one aspect of the entire process of bookmaking that, the rest of the chain is often left unexplored. At least that's what was happening with me. So NBT and this online course gave me the opportunity to pause and, take a step back and understand that bookmaking is a collective process. So it takes a lot of hard work and dedication of everybody, right from editorial to designing to production, management, everything. So it takes a collective effort to really put a book together. And this course gave me a chance to really remember why I love the world of books and bookmaking. And I'm immensely grateful to NBT and of course Narendra ji for giving me this opportunity, and it has been a really lovely experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hanifa Rathore. Hanifa
Good morning
Rathore.
to good morning to everybody. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
I am from Kerala. My name is Hanifa Rathore. Even though I had been associated with a publishing house in Kerala, this course gave me a wonderful experience. It gave new insights on every aspect of publishing process. It will definitely help me to improve in future. And the very particularity I have seen in this class is that the sessions handled by the academicians as well as the practitioners, so they can clear the doubts and all the aspects of their classes. And at the very same time, it was very interesting also. They have connected the lectures with their experiences also. It was very amazing. So it will help all the participants to improve their work in future. Thanks to NBT, its director Jo Malik and coordinator Sri Narendra ji. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आदरणीय डॉक्टर गोविंद शर्मा जी, श्री युवराज मलिक जी निदेशक, नीरा जैन जी और राष्ट्रीय पुस्तक न्यास के इस कार्यक्रम से जुड़े सभी अधिकारी जो प्रत्यक्ष या परोक्ष रूप से जुड़े हैं, मैं ये इस अवसर का लाभ उठाते हुए आप सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ। और इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से पुस्तक प्रकाशन से और उससे जुड़ी हुई बारीकियों से हमें अवगत होने का अवसर मिला। इसके लिए राष्ट्रीय पुस्तक न्यास का हृदय से आभार है। वास्तव में तो ये कार्यक्रम मैं बहुत पहले से करना चाहती थी, लेकिन अपनी नौकरी और पारिवारिक दायित्वों के कारण ही संभव नहीं हो सका था, किंतु ऑनलाइन होने के कारण मुझे ये अवसर मिला कि मैं इससे जुड़ सकूं। और इसीलिए एनबीटी के उन सभी अधिकारियों का हृदय से आभार है जिन्होंने इसे ऑनलाइन आयोजित करने की संकल्पना की। आपके द्वारा लेक्चर के लिए बुलाई गई सभी फैकल्टी काफ़ी अनुभवी और ज्ञानवान थी और उनसे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने का अवसर मिला। विशेष रूप से मैं नरेंद्र जी का भी धन्यवाद व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान रखा और हर बार हर क्लास 9 बजे शुरू हो जाती थी, जिसमें बिल्कुल भी कोई विलंब नहीं हुआ कभी भी। तो समय से आयोजित करने के लिए सभी जो पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशंस थी उन्हें भी आपने बहुत समय से भेजा। इसके लिए आपका सर बहुत बहुत आभार। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद भावना जी। मैं डायरेक्टर सर श्री युवराज मलिक जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि सर इस कोर्स के बारे में कुछ कहें।
आप सुन पा रहे हैं नरेंद्र जी?
सर
First of all, unconditional apology for this technical glitches we are facing since morning. It's very unlikely, it never happens, but somehow it happened. I will resume. So I was saying we wanted all of you to take the journey of a book. How a book starts from an idea to a product. Imagine the quality of life we will have without publication. There will not be any hoarding, there will not be any books, there will not be newspaper, there will not be any reading material, there will not be any information. And let me tell you in summary, there will be no knowledge in this society. So you are not a commercial identity, what you all must be expecting and thinking that you are an industry. You are not an industry. You are a very integral partner in knowledge economy. You are knowledge partner of the society. You are the opinion maker. You are the mandate maker. So your role is very, very big, not only in economic terms, but also in the social, intellectual, and futuristic preparation of the country. So when you focus on your commercial interests while producing the content, do focus on the quality of value, quality of learning, and quality of society making we are going to do out of it. So this is what I want to give you a very important input. We don't look NBT as a publication house. नयन जी नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं लोग?
सर हमें
सर सुन पा रहे
सर
हैं।
आपकी क्लियर आ रही है आवाज अब।
जी जी।
You are audible, sir. You are very much audible.
Okay. People are sending messages, so that's why I got some problem. So this is the important aspect. So never think you as an economic identity of industry. You are a knowledge partner of the society and the nation and all over the world. So the way you put your country through your knowledge, of course, the revenue will follow, the economic considerations will be looked after. But you have to be very, very cautious and clear that you are creating a society, you are creating a generation, you are shaping the mind of the people, and it's not all about somebody else. It's about your own children, own generation. I may be producing a content which may not be at par and quality. And if my son and my daughter is going to read, what kind of impression, what kind of mindset I'm going to create. So you have to be very, very clear. So you cannot float on the extremes. You have to be very balanced in your content and neutral content, which give ideas to think, not the forced learning. As you say, you should teach how to fish, not how to give a fish. So we should not give a fish to our people through our content. We should teach them how to fish. That means we should make a society which is able to think, able to act, and able to develop with your knowledge. Then comes the commercial aspect. You may put a price to a book of 500, 100, 30, 10, 20, whatever price you want to put it. But actually there is no price. Biography of a person, can you put a price to it? A man spent 70, 60 years to spend his life and learn something, and then suddenly you will realize that you are putting 10, 20, 30, 50 rupees price to that 60 years of life. It's an experience. Similarly, there's a book on research. Can you put a price to it? No. The research is priceless. Then there is a philosophy somebody has coin. Can you put a price to it? No. So the content and the knowledge is priceless. Only this trading system and barter system is the required for the flow of the economy. So when you do the pricing, do keep in mind that on one hand you can make it priceless and give it a very expensive pricing policy of 1,100, and it reaches only to 100 and 200 of the people, where the elite people can buy it. On the other hand, you can take it to the mass and play with volumes and still create the mandate and the content in the society. So that dilemma should be very, very clear. This dilemma we had in a couple of books, which are very good books, high price books in terms of cost of production, but we decided to keep their price low because money in that is not important. Important was the dissemination of the content. So that dilemma in publishing, that ethical dilemma, should be very, very clear to all of you. Third important aspect is the sales policy and the marketing policy of it. You should think, where you're going to pitch in your product, where you're going to pitch in your content. While positioning your content, you must be very, very clear how quickly, how deeply, and how long lasting you're going to make it. Instant policy does not help in publishing industry, because if you buy a book, you may not be able to finish it in 30 days. It is not like a cup of coffee or a cup of an ice cream or some pizza. You take it 10 minutes, you consume, and then you give an opinion. Your content and the feedback cycle is a very, very long process. People will buy a book. It takes months to get into the hands, and it takes months to read, and it takes months that people speak about your book. So be very, very cautious while evaluating your assessment. Don't rush that today you are not sold. Best of the books never sold in first 6 months, and suddenly they took off. So that's a very important lesson. So never judge the quality of your content with the immediate response you get. Immediate response, people get 1 million copies sold in 6 months. That may be because of market, may not be because of content. So you can learn the marketing skill from that, but not the quality of content. There may be content which did not sell well, but after 2 years or 3 years, 4 years, it went like anything. So you have to understand what you are going to do and how you are going to be assessing your performance in all other spectrums of publishing. So our endeavor was to give you an insight to different steps of book production. One more important aspect which you have to understand is that you have to be expert of at least one domain to survive in this industry. I'm saying industry because that is a very competitive world. There's no competition in knowledge. Competition is always in industry. So when you are in industry, ensure that you have a one domain expertise with you. You cannot afford to be average and mediocre. And at the same time, a corroborative knowledge and understanding of other 10, 12 domains which are associated with the industry. Unless and until you understand the full chain of command, full process of the production, end-to-end solutions, and expertise on one of the domain, you cannot flourish into it. So ensure, develop a skill into one domain, be it production, be it editing, be it marketing, be it sales, be it content writing, and at the same time, have understanding of the peripheral things which are associated with your job. Then only you can really visualize yourself to be in the industry, and your personality and your professional competence will rise only at that time. Second question comes, what should you do? What kind of role you have? Let me tell you, there is no match to professional competence. Professional competence comes with professional knowledge, and professional knowledge comes with your endeavors to search for things. So be very, very curious, be updated. If you are not curious about the industry, if you are not updated, you will be surely outdated. So what you will produce, by the time you will produce, will be outdated in the market. So ensure you are regularly updated, you are quite alive to the changes that is happening in the industry. For example, in COVID. Now, during World War era, you will realize there were a lot of books on spying, World War, military history, that kind of novels used to come. It was at peak. Then the economic boom, then James Bond kind of movies started coming in 70s and 80s. In 2000 onward, that we are switching to IT-based things. Then we came into space war in 2010. space-based movies, space-based movie and books, literature, science fictions. Now we are heading to artificial intelligence. So this is one domain which we have to understand, that part of the industry will be mobilized by the dynamic nature of it. The dynamism in your profession and dynamism in your personality has to go hand in hand. You can't teach only other.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आप
जी आवाज नहीं आ रही आपको?
अब आ रही है सर
जी,
बीच में
जी.
रुक गई
So these are some of these things which you have to align with the industry, and we must be totally aware. And lastly, you must have an arrogance. I'll say what kind of word you are using. Yes, you must have an arrogance, but that should be on professional competence. Professional ego is a good thing, not the personal. So when you come into the industry, have a professional ego, the kind of book, the kind of cover I will produce, the kind of content, the kind of designing, copy editing, whatever I'll do will be world class. That kind of ego you should work with. With this ego, I'm sure you all will be able to produce the kind of books we expect, the kind of literature, the kind of content we expect us. Now, summing up all these points, coming back to the core issues, I must mention that this industry is very, very different from other domains, because our product takes a very, very long time to produce. Our product takes very, very long time to consume. Our product takes a lot of time to give its result. And the entire feedback mechanism is also very, very slow. How can you achieve pace into this slow pace industry and still be paced with the contemporary times is a challenge. When we thought that we'll go into ebooks, right? So when we went to ebooks, the entire world saying that ebooks is the future. Now the world says that there is no match to the print books. Now they're talking about anomalies in digital behavior. So they want ebooks also, and at the same time they want book on digital behavior also. They want books on normal health, physical health conditions also. At the same time, they want books on mental health also. So that is the important. Whenever something will come with the invading force, any revolutionary change is very, very beautiful when we receive it. But can we absorb it as part of the society in the system? That has to be given a very serious thought. So you are in an industry which become revolutionary at times it become evolutionary. So balance is required. The complete diversification of a portfolio should be in such a way that you cater for almost all the segment of the society, all the age groups, all the cultural and social domains, and still be relevant. That is where the role of National Book Trust come into play. 5 words you must remember about NBT. First, we are the benchmark. We set the benchmark of the industry in terms of quality of content. We set the benchmark in terms of the pricing policy. No one can produce books at the low cost that we are doing. So affordable reading is the word you can associate with NBT. Then comes the multi-diversity culture of the content. We produce in almost all the languages, dialects, and almost in all UN languages. So this diversification is very, very important. Then the outreach. We take our books to areas where people and even security forces think 10 times to go and operate. So that outreach is what you can think with NBT. And most important part about NBT, you can think it is a symbol of trust. It is not trust that Nyas, that registered in the society. This trust is faith. People have faith into our content. People have faith into our the professional practices we follow. People have faith into our standards. People have into our values, and people have in our professional competence. So we have to restore this faith at all time, and that's how we thought that this course should go, and we should produce more professional which go with this kind of value system in other industry, other publication houses, and contribute and bring this culture of delivery. And they deliver with quality, competence, and professionalism. And I'm sure with today's course, all of you would be feeling more confident, more educated, and more updated with the latest things in the publication industry. No doubt about it, this course is very, very beautifully conceived and designed. All of you will be going into your respective fields. Some of you will be joining very eminent publication houses. Some will start off your. We also open house and floodgates to all of you, those who feel they have achieved that kind of competence. So they are most welcome to come approach us for professional engagements with NBT, not only internship, but regular engagements. And if you find that you have achieved that standard where you can fit in part of team NBT, we would welcome you and extend you the professional opportunities to grow and rise. Thank you so much. Very cooperative, have been very cooperative. Discipline in your course curriculum performance. Last month, you and doing this job of coordinating with so many professional people and conducting this course with very, very refined manner. All my thanks to all the faculties who have joined today and participated in this course. Their valuable experience has been students who joined this course. And lastly, the center of gravity of this course have been all the participants. So without you, there is no beauty. You are the beauty of the course. You are the strength of the that and this will take you long in a professional. All the best, and the imprints and the system which NBT has conveyed in this small course, you will be brand ambassador of our organization with this small 3 month or 2 months of course. Thank you so much, and all the best for your career.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अपने अध्यक्ष महोदय प्रोफेसर गोविंद प्रसाद शर्मा जी से विनती करूंगा कि सर इसके बारे में कुछ कहें।
आदरणीय युवराज जी, डायरेक्टर एनबीटी, श्री नरेंद्र जी, कोऑर्डिनेटर इस कोर्स के, और प्रतिभागी बंधुओं, 26 सितंबर से 20 दिसंबर तक 3 महीने का बुक पब्लिशिंग कोर्स आज समाप्त हो रहा है। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सब लोगों को एक सफल कोर्स के करने की बधाई देता हूं। आप लोगों ने 3 महीने तक ये कोर्स किया, इसके लिए आप सभी लोगों को बधाई। दरअसल एनबीटी 1957 से कार्य कर रही है और इसका स्थान राष्ट्रीय नहीं है, इसका स्थान एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर है। एक बहुत बड़ी संस्थान है और ये जो कोर्स कराने की बात है, ये एनबीटी का एकेडमिक पक्ष है। इतनी बड़ी संस्थान जिसको राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रतिष्ठा प्राप्त हो, वो केवल पुस्तकों की छपाई का काम करे, यहां तक सीमित रहना उसके व्यक्तित्व के अनुकूल नहीं है। इसलिए एक एकेडमिक पक्ष उसका यह है कि वो इस क्षेत्र के अंदर आने वाले लोगों को एक प्रशिक्षण दे, उसकी बारीकियां बतलाए, उससे जुड़े हुए समस्याएं, उसकी जुड़ी हुई सुविधाएं, उसका भविष्य आगे क्या होना है, इन सब चीजों के बारे में प्रशिक्षित करें, उनको योग्य बनाएं और इस क्षेत्र के अंदर वो अपना नाम स्थापित कर सकें, ऐसा उनका एक मानस बनाए। और इस दृष्टि से जिन प्रतिभागियों के अनुभवों को मैंने अभी सुना, लगभग 5, 6, 7 प्रतिभागियों ने अपने अनुभव बतलाए। सभी के अनुभव बड़े उत्साहजनक हैं। हमको भी ये सुनकर के अच्छा लगता है कि सभी ने इस बात को स्वीकार किया कि ये एक व्यवस्थित कोर्स रहा और इसमें सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ मिला। निश्चित रूप से जो लोग प्रकाशन के क्षेत्र के अंदर हैं, उनको एडिटिंग के बारे में, पब्लिशिंग के बारे में, मार्केटिंग के बारे में, ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में और कॉपीराइट के बारे में, इन सब चीजों की तकनीकी और सैद्धांतिक और व्यवहारिक तीनों तरह की जानकारी होना आवश्यक है। डिजिटल पब्लिकेशन के बारे में भी जानना आवश्यक है, ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में जानना भी आवश्यक है और कोशिश की है कि एक अच्छी फैकल्टी के द्वारा इन सब चीजों के संबंध में आपको अवगत कराया जाए। जहां तक पुस्तकों की बात है, कुछ चीजें तो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की हैं, कुछ समस्याएं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की हैं, कुछ समस्याएं अपनी लोकल हैं। उन सब से आप लोग वाकिफ हुए और उनका किस प्रकार से सामना किया जाए, क्या नीति अपनाई जाए, इसके संबंध में भी आप सब लोगों ने जानकारियां प्राप्त की। जहां तक पुस्तकों के भविष्य की बात है, पुस्तकों का भविष्य तो अच्छा है, इसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता। ये जो कोरोना का काल रहा, इसमें ही पाठकों की संख्या में 6 से 7% की वृद्धि हुई। उस सीमा तक पुस्तकों का भी क्रय विक्रय हुआ। इस समस्या को लेकर के नए लेखक भी पैदा हुए। आप विचार कीजिए कि यदि पुस्तकें न होती, माने प्रिंट मीडिया न होता, तो कितने लोगों की कल्पनाएं, कितने लोगों का साहित्य, कितने लोगों की कहानियां, कितने लोगों का उपन्यास राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर, वो सब चीजें सामने आ ही नहीं पाती। व्यक्ति कहानियों की तरह अपने जीवन में उनको सुनाता और उसकी मृत्यु के साथ उसका ये पूरा का पूरा जितना भी एकेडमिक है, जितना भी हुनर है, जो भी उसने लिखा है, जो भी उसने विचार किया है, जो उसने अपने जीवन में संप्रेषित किया है लोगों को, वो सब समाप्त हो जाता। तो प्रिंटिंग मीडिया का विश्व संस्कृति को और विश्व सभ्यता को ऋणी होना चाहिए, और वो है। आप किसी भी लेखक के विचारों को वर्षों तक नहीं, शताब्दियों तक जिंदा रखते हैं। और इतने पवित्र कार्य के अंदर आपने प्रवेश किया है, आपने प्रशिक्षण लिया है, इसका लाभ मनुष्यों को मिलेगा, उनकी संस्कृति को मिलेगा, उनकी सभ्यताओं को मिलेगा, और सैकड़ों वर्ष बाद भी आज के समय के विचार क्या थे, क्या लेखन था, इस सब से लोग परिचित रहेंगे। मैं अधिक नहीं कहना चाहता। आदरणीय डायरेक्टर साहब ने आपको बहुत कुछ कहा है, सिस्टमेटिक कहा है। आप अपने कार्यक्षेत्र के अंदर सफल रहें और उस सफलता में एनबीटी का सहयोग रहे। जो कोर्स आपने किया है वो उपयोगी सिद्ध हो, ऐसी मैं कामना करता हूं। नरेंद्र जी को एक बार फिर मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा कि उन्होंने पूरी तत्परता के साथ, पूरी मेहनत के साथ, पूरी लगन के साथ इन परिस्थितियों में भी और इस प्रकार के कोर्स का, ऑनलाइन कोर्स का आयोजन किया और बड़ा सफल आयोजन हुआ। 16 राज्यों से अधिक लोगों की प्रतिभागिता इसको एक राष्ट्रीय स्वरूप दिलाती है। अब ये कोर्स केवल लोकल या कुछ राज्यों तक सीमित नहीं रहा, लेकिन राष्ट्रीय हो गया। आगे आने वाले समय में हमको इस दृष्टि से और भी अधिक सफलता मिलेगी। आपको जो तरीके से चीजों को आपके सामने लाया गया, जिसमें असाइनमेंट भी आपको दिया गया, उसका वैल्यूएशन भी आपको हुआ, इससे आप स्वयं अनुभव कर सकेंगे कि आप कहाँ हैं। मैं एक बार पुनः आप सभी प्रतिभागियों को और विशेषकर नरेंद्र जी को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि उन्होंने ये सफलतापूर्वक इस कोर्स को पूरा कराया। नमस्कार।
धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। सर, आप सभी सक्षम अधिकारी का अगर सहयोग रहा तो हम पूरी लगन और मेहनत से इस कोर्स को और आगे बढ़ाएंगे और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि मैं इसी तरह सभी राज्यों के लोगों की या जो इस लाइन में आना चाहते हैं सेवा करते रहें। अब मैं मुख्य संपादिका व संयुक्त निदेशक श्रीमती नीरा जैन जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो आए। धन्यवाद ज्ञापन।
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you very much. Our chairman, Govind Prasad Sharma ji, has very aptly talked about the course through his very inspiring words, and our director also has commented broadly on whatever domains that are related to the course and how you can take it forward, how you can develop professionalism in yourself and come up to the mark. Organizing this course was very challenging given the circumstances of pandemic, network issues, so many hiccups. But despite all the problems, we were successful. The NBT team was successful in holding a very successful course. And the comments that have come from the participants are very encouraging. Now the field is open for you all to take it up in your career. This course was able to connect so many students across the country, which is also a very big achievement. I would like to thank and congratulate all the participants and the NBT team on NBT behalf for holding a very successful course. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूं और सभी ने इस कोर्स के लिए जिसने इसमें रोल निभाया, कंप्यूटर सेल के श्री मनीष जी, रमन जी और एडिटोरियल के श्रीमती कैरोलिन जी और श्री कुमार विक्रम जी, श्रीमती कंचन वांचू शर्मा जी ने भी आज कल ही हमने बोला उनको और आज उन्होंने क्लास ली। मैं सभी का विशेष रूप से सभी सक्षम निदेशक महोदय का, चेयरमैन साहब का, जिन्होंने इस कोर्स को और आगे भी अगले कोर्स की भी हमारी तैयारी है, तो मैं सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू वेरी मच।